What is this Custom Keto Diet? Custom Keto Diet System is a personalized ketogenic program which allows you to lose your excessive weight in a reasonable time, using your custom diet plan. However, the most outstanding feature of the system is that you do not get these weights back whenever you quit applying this system. This personalized diet choice consists of all natural methods and lets you live in a healthy way, since you'll lose weight in a permanent manner with custom diet recipes. This diet plan ebook contains plenty of fat-burning recipes which will teach you how to eat healthy. The Custom Ketogenic Diet System offers you many minerals and vitamins to take and consume them daily in accordance with the needs of your body in terms of the activity you perform in your everyday life. These kinds of eating habits will let you to become healthier in your everyday life routine, which will help you to live healthy in your future days too. In this way, with custom ketogenic diet plan recipes, you'll preclude many diseases which are very common in recent years. This system totally makes you a better in terms of every condition. You will not have to work out for many hours in gyms with this ebook. You can arrange your exercises in accordance with your business in your daily life and also can perform these at your home on your own. Another great issue about this personalized diet is you do not have to starve since the book is not a diet plan. This weight loss book only allows you to lose weight permanently in a reasonable period of time. The system is not like the other systems. It allows you to lose your weights in a permanent way and promises you to not get them back unless you keep living your life in a healthy way. Methods of Custom Keto Diet. The Custom Keto Diet System is a plan which is helping you to get rid of from your excessive weights in an accountable time with the promise of not getting all of them back, just as in the other quick or takeaway diet plans on the internet. There are many people from all around the world who manage to get rid of from their excessive weights after they tried numerous docs and diets that are available on the internet. It is possible to have the body type you always dream of in months with this system. The Custom Ketogenic Diet Recipes system is not promising you to get rid of from your weights in weeks. It says that you will be needing a hard work, however, in case you will feed yourself with healthful nutrients, which the system also provides you some of the lists and recipes to have a healthy food plan you will easily get rid of from your excessive weights. This diet book includes the athlete's eating plans and also it forces you to live a healthy life. For more details, please visit our website and link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.